I'll try to call it. Well, I'm northbound, coming up against construction here, West Main.
Unit A7 joint call.
How do you get a chance to make that traffic clear? And
We're taking James Street.
hey, I got it. You just drive. We're out northbound on James. Speed's about 60. We're coming up to James Street. Speed's about 70. Just cross James, still northbound, Will Service Road. Speed's about 50. Light traffic. We're getting back east. East on Bailey, go right. Speed's about 55. This is running south on Gray. I'm still
Quick pursuit, Granny and Bailey. Pastor's running south on Gray. I'm 1037 with the vehicle. I'm west on Neal from Bailey. Speed's about 45.
west on Neal.
West on Hill, coming back up the service road. You gonna get your ass. Still northbound on the service road, coming back up to Bailey. Light traffic, speed's about 50. Hey, that passenger that jumped out back there in Little Rock had a bag, like a gray trash bag. 55 was back there with him. Hey, say your fucking hands! Get on the fucking ground now! Get on the ground! On the ground! On the ground!
Little Rock, we'll stop. Stand by.
Put your hands behind your back. Behind your back. Freaking idiot. You're real freaking intelligent. I'm 15, Little Rock. I'm clear up here, clear there. Your ass up. Dumbass. Get free, keep somebody killed out here.
Me to jail. Come over here.
Hey, don't worry about coming over here. You can go with her. Shut up.
This is the one they were calling about.
What's that?
Another pursuit y'all ran into?
No, it was the same one. Passenger jumped out. We just got him. Little Rock, I'm here in the Harbor Freight. I'm 10-4. Boys, start me at 10-11. 55, you got that bag yet?
Yeah, 10-4. I got it in the back of one of these yards. We'll go over here and then it gets.
What's that intersection I get PD to?
Hill Street, Gray Street.
Hill and Gray. Can you get somebody at Hill and Gray with the trooper?
Yeah, he still ain't got him?
He's got him, but he's got to go recover the bag he jumped out with. Hill and Gray. Well, it's a good thing you stopped, because I was going to hurt your ass. I'm just saying that right now. You gonna get somebody killed out here.
I know, I'm sorry.
Ain't no sorry. You should have just stopped when he jumped out. He already ran with the bag. What you gonna keep running for? You knew what was coming when I hit the back of your ass, though, didn't you? Yeah, you are. Yeah, I know.
If you go over Feeling Great, somebody can hold on there. Said to us correctly. They said an F-150. I was like, oh, okay.
I don't know what that was.
I guess all they heard was Silver Ford, and then they turned it out as the F-150. So
Let's take a look at this. 26798 William 4. 26798 William 4.